Hi guys, I am out here in the Woodlands, me, myself, and my lonesome. Actually, I'm having a wonderful time. You know, a lot of times it's good to get out, enjoy you, and do some reflections. Today is that day for me. And it's such a pretty day. I didn't want to waste it by just sitting around and not doing anything. But the Woodlands always brings serenity for me. So Tanisha is out walking with some flats on, little skirt here, red, but I say a little tights or whatever, and some little flat shoes, something you're not used to seeing me in. So hopefully you guys was able to get a little view of that. But anyways, I am definitely enjoying me at this time. So I encourage everyone to get the opportunity to enjoy yourself sometimes. Much needed after a long week of work, busy week, long nights, and sometimes restless. But today is one of those days I had to get out and enjoy God's beauty in nature out here in the Woodlands. It's very beautiful. I'm sure you guys have visited before. But I just wanted to share a little bit today that it's okay to enjoy you sometime and just allow some opportunity for God to speak to you and you to listen. A lot of times we get beside ourselves and we continue conversation and communicating with people about things that's not beneficial to where you're going and your purpose in life. So I take this moment as a fortunate moment of reflection for me, myself, with God. So I'm not out here alone because I have to be, but let's just say it's beneficial to do so sometimes. So I'm okay with that. I'm grateful for the moments in time. So I'm hoping that everybody got the opportunity to get out of your homes, out of your cars, and enjoy a little nature today. It's been wonderful so far today. I did have a little opportunity to go to a restaurant here and have me a little something there. So now I'm very relaxed and enjoying the moment. So now I'm headed to the waterfalls now, y'all. Now the waterfall here in the Woodlands is wonderful. I didn't get a chance to meet up with my sisters for us to gather, scheduled to meet together. They had their own things going on today, which is cool. Love those girls. But anyway, you guys, I'm going to sign off because now I'm getting ready to do a little sightseeing, and I'll probably attach a few pictures here and there just to share some love with you guys. I love people. I love God. And I love the love that has been returned to me. And that's only because of God, not because of myself or not because of anything else but God's favor. Again, I'm signing off. Love you guys again. I probably said that twice. And I'll be chatting with you guys later. Enjoy your day. It's beautiful, you see? Okay, bye. Thank you for listening to me again. Bye. Okay, I'm gone. Bye.